I am Glenn Hedstrom. I own EcoFresh Carpet Cleaning in Sioux Falls, South Dakota, and this is my fifth year in business. The biggest challenge is return on investment. Um, Facebook ads were nearly impossible to turn a profit with those. And I've run AdWords before many times in the past 5 years, and kind of a similar situation. The return on investment was never adequate for for business. So
Sure. And what kind of challenges within like Facebook and Google did you find? Was it like lead quality, or what were the main issues?
the main issues with Facebook lead ads were the quality of the leads. They were, it was, I believe it was like $10 a lead, but you only booked maybe 1 in 10 leads,
Not the
or
best,
1 in 6 if you're really, so that doesn't make sense for a carpet cleaning business. With AdWords, I was getting calls from outside of my service area, and the lead quality was never great. It was always okay. And I never used a landing page before, so the conversions were lower as well. And the cost of doing AdWords in the past did not make sense for this industry. So
Sure. So I guess coming back to Google Ads, you probably might have felt a bit kind of, I guess, a little hesitant to try Google Ads again from that experience. So
yes, I swore I would never run AdWords again.
And how do you feel now, having worked with us at Atomic Marketing and the experience you've had? Tell me a little bit about that.
Yes, very different experience. With the Atomic Marketing's landing page and how you're able to optimize the different campaigns, you are doing far better than I've ever seen AdWords perform, by leaps and bounds. There's no comparison. And I've run AdWords many times before with many different agencies and on my own, and I've never seen performance like this before. This is above the rest by far.
What kind of results have you seen in terms of book jobs and actual money in the bank from the campaign?
So it's been a little over a month, and I've booked over 5,000 in business, which
Amazing.
is phenomenal. Which is phenomenal for AdWords for the first month. That's unheard of. Another quick thing about AdWords that I've seen in the past, not just myself but other cleaners, is the return on investment is 3 to 1 or less. What I've seen, and I'm way outperforming that. So, you guys are like a unicorn or something. I mean, it's better than I've ever seen, and it's better than I've ever heard of the results. So your landing page is doing wonders in conjunction with how much time you spend optimizing the campaigns. And I want to add a band this year or next year, so and that's going to require more volume, more calls, more volume. So and I think this along with referrals and repeats, I think I'm going to get there. So
amazing. So Glenn, what's it been like working with us, with myself and my colleague Dale?
It's been great. Communication is great through Facebook, and the video updates are very helpful to see what you're doing in the campaigns and how you're optimizing the campaigns and what you're looking for. And yeah, that's been phenomenal. It's very easy to keep track of how much the campaign is actually bringing in. So the way you have it set up with quotable leads, unquotable leads, book jobs, makes it very easy to keep track of your return on investment.
And what would you say to someone who's kind of on the fence about speaking with us or trialing us to potentially do some Google Ads work with them?
I would say you need to look at the big picture. You don't focus so much on the ad spend, but keep track of the business coming in. And let's say you spend $1,000 on AdWords. if it brought in over 4,000 or 5,000 a business, that's worth it. Keep doing that.
Absolutely.
Because it's a very competitive industry. Forget about your previous experiences with AdWords and just do it. If you want to grow your business, do it. Don't think about it, just do it.